Here we are once again, heart to heart with Margie. Wednesday, May the 20th, 2026. How about that? So I want to start off with a quote from Mark Twain. Two most important days of your life is the day you were born and the day you find out why. Think about that. The day you were born and the day you find out why you were born. Now that's an awesome quote. And I thought about that. I really thought about that. Do you know why you were born? Do you really know why you were born? Well, let me see if I can dig a little deeper. Let's see if I can do a deep dive in this session to help us to know why we were born. Welcome back to Get Healthy Now Mastery. Into my laboratory. You know I'm in a laboratory every time you see me. This laboratory is a laboratory of discovery. The laboratory of discovery. Two most important days of your life is the day you were born and the day you find out why. So let's see if we can find out why. Let's do a deep dive, deep within us, deep inside of each one of us lies goodness unimagined. Deep inside of each one of us lies wisdom, music, talents of every variety. Deep inside of us lies joy, love, peace, humility, and spirituality. And it must be unfolded through self-realization and self-discipline. And it must be unfolded through self-realization and self-discipline. I just want to talk to you for a moment. However, each one of us must do a deep dive into the beyond that's within us. I've been reading this book, and this book is called Discover the Power Within You by Eric Butterworth. This is it right here. Discover the Power Within You by Eric Butterworth. And the statement says, a guide to the unexplored depths within. Now, I'm not moving away from Get Healthy Now Mastery because this is all about being healthy. It's all about being healthy. One way for us to do a deep dive into the beyond within us is for us to go back to the garden. Go back to the garden. Go back to Genesis 1:29. Y'all, I just wanted to share this with you. This is from my heart to your heart. Oh, yes. Yes, it is. Making the changes in your lifestyle of eating is a start to deep diving. Now, you all, I'm not making this up. This has been stated by many. I'm going to share this testimony. I'm going to call it a testimony from one of the subscribers. I was reading it today. And she says, and it's from I Am My Strength. That's the subscriber's name. I Am My Strength. And I'm not sure if she is a content creator or not. But she said when she missed drinking her green juice, she goes into withdrawals. She have withdrawals when she don't drink the green juice. Y'all, I told y'all this green juice is powerful. It's powerful. Yes, it is. She says this juice takes all of the cravings for sugar, meat, and anything unhealthy. It moves the cravings from her. And then her last statement was, I love my green juice. I love my green juice. So y'all understand why I talk about the lemon ginger blast so much? Do you understand that? So I just want to share this with you. The 40-day juice fast, the 30-day juice fast, the 20-day juice fast, the 10-day juice fast is just the beginning of a new you. It's just the beginning of a new you. And this is why I wanted to introduce this to you all. This will not be the last fast that we will be doing. Absolutely. So juice fasting allows your digestive tract to have a little vacation from overworking. It gives your digestive tract a vacation. It allows for mental clarity to be enhanced. It allows your body to start a new cleansing cycle. It clears up your skin. It brightens up your eyes. This is what the juice fasting is all about. It's for your body to begin cleaning out, getting rid of the old to become that new you. To become that new you. And you can do it, you guys. So I don't know everybody who is on this juice fast with us. Go the distance. If you say you're going to do 10 days, go the 10 days. If you say you're going to go 20 days, go the 20 days. If you say you're going to go 30 days, go the 30 days. If you say you're going to go 40 days, go the 40 days. I promise you, you will not regret it. I promise you. 2 years ago, I did the juice fast, the 40-day juice fast. I think it was the second one that I did. The first one I did on my own. The second one I did with a group. And I always heard Shane Sterling talk about mucoid plaque. Releasing mucoid plaque when you're on this juice fast. And I have the juice protocol right here that we're going to discuss on a Zoom call, because it's a whole lot. This is why we're going to do a Zoom. So if you are doing the juice fast with us, please send me an email to rebuild from the inside out. Rebuild from the inside out. And I will send you information. Yes, I will. This protocol that I'm using came from Shane Sterling. So I wanted to tell you about the mucoid plaque. And I released mucoid plaque two and a half years ago now, maybe. You guys, I'm not making this up. This is what it looks like. This came from my body. I didn't go print this picture from nowhere. This came from my body. That and that. And then there was a third picture, but I couldn't get it to print out. But I'm telling you, I released it. I did. If I hadn't, I wouldn't know that it's true. Some people don't believe that it's true. But I did release that. Mucoid plaque is a term used to describe a rubbery, gel-like mucus buildup in the intestines. Y'all, this is what was in my intestines. It is often characterized as a green, ropey substance that allegedly forms on the walls of the gastrointestinal tract, particularly in response to diets high in refined sugars and starches. I just wanted to share that with you. And if you're going to join us on a Zoom call, hey, We'll talk about that some more. But I just wanted to share that with Heart to Heart from Margie, from my heart to your heart. So I hope that you're joining us on this Juice Fast Challenge. Yes, I do. And if you want to take your juicing to another level, join Juice Masters. Join the Juice Masters group and Get Healthy Now Mastery. Just go to Get Healthy Now Mastery homepage and you'll see says join. All you have to do is click join and become a part of the membership at Get Healthy Now Mastery, because we are getting ready to take this to another level. But I wanted to share that with you. So on that note, thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you to the newcomers. Thank you to all of my supporters. I appreciate you so much. I send love and peace out to you this day, this Wednesday. Yes, I do. And again, I ask you, I had my numbers. What did I do? Okay. So I said the goal was to reach 5,000 subscribers by June 1st. We only have a few more days. And in a few more days, we need 720 subs. 720 subs. Y'all help me to reach the 720 subs by June the 1st. And guess what? Once we reach the 5,000, we're going to go to 6,000. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep building, because we are about making changes in the health and wealth of this world, the entire world. This is what we are over here about at Get Healthy Now Mastery. Health equals wealth. Wealth equals health. So again, thank you. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and send me a comment and share this information with your family and friends. And until the next Heart to Heart, peace and love and broccoli. Peace and love and broccoli.